In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down right away. Then click on Passwords and Accounts. Following that, select this gear next to Google, located under Autofill service. Tap on Google Password Manager. And if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To add another one from those settings and make them even visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your first password will appear over here. Now to add any other one, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Following that, type in any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!